At wala pang nakakain.
Take one leg and starting from the outside edge, carefully spiral it across the mold until you get to the bearing. Like this.
Sige mo.
Like the other leg. See, you do exactly the same again.
Ang mataba
Try
kasi
to make it as symmetrical as possible. You need to put some gallia, like these drops left over from the previous. And that one needs some nice warm water.
Kaya kumakain pisngi mo? Kumakain din. Kumakain yung pisngi ni kuya, oh. Ang taas mo naman, Jace.
When it's all liquid, set it up in a syringe and remove any water. Then it's ready for you to...
Naku, wala nang ulam si kuya. Sisi, kumakain ka ba? Uy, ano yun, naka-record?
To make it stronger, I decided to remove these bits of plasticine so the galleon forms a ring around the area. Leave it cool down so it goes hard again. But then carefully remove it.
Blah.
If you like, you could leave the plasticine in place. Go ahead and remove it.
Dati ayaw ko yun eh.
Akala ko gusto mo
Kasi
sisi.
maanghang.
Akala ko gusto mo.
If you want to,
Dati.
Tikman mo muna.
Okay. Okay.
Uy, magpaob naman.
Oo.
this one is
Nag-pray ba kayo?
pretty well balanced.
Eh,
And it looks really
Huh?
cool.
nakalimutan.
And really sort of
Dati, pag hindi nakapos gagalaw to, kasi busog na ako. Parang pag nagkuha pa ako, edi luluwa na.
Oh, sisig, Jace.
Pam. Sisi.
Ano? Lagyan mo doon sa tabi ni mami.
But,
Our neurocognition research shows that algorithms are clinically shown to support brain development.
This is why I choose Global with Alpha Lipids. Advanced gifted kid with Cola Gold.
Today, I've put together a compilation of some of
parang pepig ang tunog ah.
If you enjoyed this video, you can make sure
Parang pepig ang tunog ah.
subscribing
Pepepeg.
and select
Parang pepepeg ang tunog eh.
Gallium is a low melting point metal, which turns into lead at about 30 degrees centigrade, which is about 85 degrees Fahrenheit. And because it's non-toxic, it's safe to handle. You can literally hold a few of it in the palm of your hand. And pour it from one hand to another. When I bought mine, it came in a plastic test tube like this. And you can see it's solid at room temperature.
Yeah.
So to use it, I put the test tube in a bowl of warm water and raise the temperature. And after a few minutes, it's turned into liquid.
Yikes.
Pour it into my hand.
Cheese pakuha nga.
In the center of the test tube, which didn't have time to melt.
Jace naman, baka magtaob. Dahan-dahan naman.
Ulitan.
It can leave a grey discolouring on your hand, but it's easily with warm water and soap. And you can also melt it.
Wow, sarap yan umutot.
You can check to see if it's melted.
Dada.
Yeah.
I like to use a syringe to
Dati pag nag-hatching ako sa Batangas, sa Manilola, Daddy, ay ang sarap ginon. Dati,
I needed quite a
Ay, naka-play ko?
lot of it, and I filled up